It's official, Jason Bourne is back.
Are you coming back for another Bourne?
Yes, next year.
And he looks a lot like Matt Damon. Now this has been a rumor for a while, so how did it get confirmed? The bat let the cat out.
Well, he's going to be doing a Bourne movie next fall.
But Damon went along with it, and he even confirmed the return of his old Bourne director, Paul Greengrass, which was really the only reason Damon agreed to become Bourne again.
In 2016, when the movie will actually come out.
But wait, did Universal go all Jason Bourne and forget about Jeremy Renner's Bourne film, also due out in 2016? Looks like his sequel is up in the air, and no, he won't be appearing in Damon's film either.
Well, I got a number.
So how do you like them apples? Tie your message to a passenger pigeon and send it over to us, or just tweet us at Hollywood. Click here for an Interstellar video. Click here to subscribe to @Hollywood.